Hey there and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we together explore the exciting chess world. I am Roman, 15 years old, and today we're going to dive deep into a crazy and fast chess trap, or to be more specific, a Queenwintrap in the Scandinavian Defence. So at first I will show you how it works, and then I will quickly explain you how to defend yourself with the black chess pieces against this trap in the Scandinavian Defence, with the intention and the idea not to lose your very important, beautiful and stunning queen after already 10 moves into the game. So let's not waste time anymore and jump right into it. By the way, if you don't want to miss anything new on this YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe and activate the announcement bell. Thank you. So how I've already teasered, this trap starts with a very famous Scandinavian defense. So pawn to e4 followed directly by pawn to d5 by black. So the Scandinavian defense is one of the oldest openings in the whole game of chess, reaching back to the 16th century. Here we continue now with capturing black's pawn on d5 with our pawn, on which they capture back the pawn with their queen. So now there are really lots of different options and moves that we can play in the Mises variation, because this variation right now on the chessboard is definitely one of the most famous and most played main lines of the Scandinavian. Here we could, for example, play pawn to d4, a move played a lot by chess masters and pros. We could also play in this position knight to f3, but if you want to continue with the chess trap, or to be more specific, the Queenwintrap, which I would like to show you in this video, you have to continue with knight to c3, also attacking the black queen on d5 now. So the queen escapes in this position on a5. We play now knight to f3, on which black decides to pin our knight here on f3 with his light squared bishop by moving on g4. For those of you who don't know, a pin is a situation brought on by an attacking piece in which a defending piece cannot move without exposing a more valuable defending piece on its other side to capture by the attacking piece. Like how you can see it in this position, if we would move away with our knight here on f3, which is now pinned, for example, let's say on g5, black could just capture our queen here on d1, which definitely wouldn't be very good to us, because in this trap we want to capture our opponent's queen in, I think, 6 or 7 moves. Therefore we don't play knight to g5, but we rather attack the now attacking bishop with pawn to h3, on which he captures our knight on f3, and we capture it back with our queen, fulfilling a little light chess piece trade. In this position, black continues with developing his knight on c6, on which we are now the ones who are pinning the black knight, because in this position we play the very strong move bishop to b5, pinning the black knight on c6. And now we're not only attacking the black knight on c6 with our bishop, but also with our queen. This is called a double attack. And therefore, if black does the mistake and tries to defend his now twice attacked knight on c6, also with the second chess piece, by playing queen to b6, this is a big mistake, and we have basically already won this chess game, or we will win it in the next moves. Because in this position we play now knight to d5, attacking the black queen on b6. And the best move here would be to just capture our bishop on b5, on which we would capture black's pawn here on c7 with our knight, not only with check, but also with a crazy fork. Because after the black king has escaped, let's say for example on d8, we can just capture the black queen on b5 without any problems. But the position has actually two outcomes. In this position, where black has played queen to b6, which is a very, very big mistake, we can also, after we have played knight to d5 and the queen has escaped on a5, play the crazy move pawn to b4, just completely trapping the black queen in this position again. Because the knight here cannot capture this pawn because he's still pinned by our bishop. And now black's best move is just again to capture our bishop here on b5, on which we do the same, forking the black queen and king after capturing the black pawn here now on c7. So this was the crazy queen winning only 10 moves trap in the Scandinavian Defence, which I wanted to show and explain you in this short video. If you are playing the black chess pieces with the intention not to lose your very beautiful and stunning queen so fast, then at first there won't be any problems with playing the Scandinavian Defence. Because if there would, it wouldn't be so famous and so often played in the world of chess. Even the move knight to c6, which the computer says isn't the best, is definitely playable on chess beginner niveau, also for some advanced chess players. But if white then continues with the attacking and aggressive move bishop to b5, you definitely should not, how I've just showed you, continue with queen to b6, because you're going to lose your very beautiful and important queen in the following 2 or 3 moves. In this position you should rather do the short castling. You will probably lose one or the other pawn, but of course not your very important queen. And this was the audio of this video in which I have shown you this crazy checkmate and 10 moves trap in the Scandinavian Defence. Or, sorry, not checkmate, Queenwintrap. But checkmate would have been also better. I really hope that you liked the video. If you liked it, feel free to subscribe, leave a like and activate the announcement bell. And don't forget to share this video with other chess friends and chess opponents that you know. Till next time, bye!